Grandad.
Yeah, we set it to.
First of all,
2 ounces.
we want, how many ounces of fruit do we need?
2.
Not 2, 12.
12.
12. Let's put them in then.
Let's put
hang on.
them.
Tip it in.
That's a
So
lot.
how many is that? Raisins. Okay. These are sultanas. You can put anything in, can't you? Some more raisins.
Whee!
Oh, I'm nearly there. Look, it's on an 11.5. Bit more. Be still. Mind your handies. Right, still over. Bit out. Still up. Just not too much out. Let go. Let's have a look. Oh, okay, you eat some. Put it in. Now this could be white sugar or this is brown sugar. Nearly there. Now hold the knife. Cut it. I'm not sure what's cut. Ah, it's hard. Cut it again.
Cut.
It's hard. Right, okay.
Get it.
Put it in there. Pour it in. Oh, that's it. Good. Okay, that's the water. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Mix
Mix it hard. Mix it hard. Simmer for 20 minutes. Right, so now wait till it's gone cool. 1, 2. Mix it, give it a stir. Yeah, that's right. Now, 8 ounces of flour. So 8 ounces, going up.
I think you're wrong, it's 4.
It's 8 ounces.
Heck.
Well, there you go, 8 ounces. Then you mix it all in. Right, so now we're going to get the baking tin ready. Right, I'm going to stick it in here. Okay, you see if it's ready. Knife in the middle, and you take it out. It should be clean. That looks not quite ready yet. It's got a still bit of cake mixture there. So I'm going to put it in for a little bit longer. I've got it out again, so I'll just pop the knife in. But that side's clear, and that side's clear. So double check again around here somewhere. Clear, clear. Just round that. That's okay. And I'll let it cool, and then I'll get it out. Go on. Okay.